Alright, once again, Throwback Thursday. Time is running out, trust me. Noza kubya metro chumwe noza kuimuka no shangeru Christmas. Christmas zeri jana by the tuzachinira makuru. Because those days we used to be excited. Christmas, chobo shitumukurara no moreba, kunkambaka Christmas ke muri excited. But now, Christmas ni chara boshangu Christmas tie. Kwanga je kushanga ningamba Christmas. Konga tvatera kweshongoro obwakabi konko bwakare because it's a throwback. Ntwenda kubizusya. Obviously tokaye bwa hiwarijire. Ahiwarijire na hamatarenga because it defines aho kubandoza in future. Well, so yesterday Shazemuna ninaza auto waye naza kwecha kaza mkanyoni za kwera. So I just went for a live band. Mbire surprised nshanjire yo, who is this guy? Jose. Agame shogawe, that guy. Yamawe omwana na yeshongora. In fact, I was proud of you. Jose, yete romungaro. Gwe, that guy can sing. I never cause. Namanya beshongoza abinji, you know lumwe buzabuza. You can sing ozomo studio inira kabari jiro kubarya bari editing but wahika kweshongo arrive I don't trust me to kubasa nangwa no kubasa but this guy na yeshongo alive and numurunju mnonga ira career is so amazing, trust me newa kawamura to kubasa kuchisiza because I was like kagaya kweshongo gatene kai so like meda tingu ijukandu kumureba first but then later nakareba nakamanya nakachenga yamawe guy na yeshongora atubasa no kuchichiriza. In fact she no mchigazo so there and she akuzuro kwa nyime behind the back yamawe naso kujangu okay. Well, Shana na wana kunangwa tu anajwale mienda mahango, you know, nkebyo, but if you see her behind, in fact, nyombe surprise me, mangu shino jwile, you know, echubunu, no mabe bumye batene bakuza. Kumbe I had to touch and make sure tichoche nyini kuongachili ya chochile njize. Anyway, Diamond Oscar, ntuleba, hawe miake tinarija kumaranjara, ngwe miake tano, toine hit, neji nemwe, chia kozile, no kuija kashara isho, remember that guy, Bling master naita bling master, okay, even though you're not anymore kujangu okawaho okafedinga so chia cause just not take a dreads njo sichene chine na nokusibebisha na postinga Instagram so muntu manje yamujirango aye kuno jango obobwire obokusiba no postinga bishane Instagram obobwire no obukwata obukuteka omu studio oshara mukwereche shongolo. That would work much better. Oshwe obwire bokusiba kale natize chane apa ni chishaba you know selfies unekutwara kutera nki 10 kuyamsepeje emwe perfect yo postinga so naza matia editing ateka hotwa na tutuntu twinja ho mnonga kongashara mu buri zoba ninga shuburishaha abana postinga echane Instagram. I mean get alive okori mweshongozi me I love you ngani kunebishongo bya Diamond Oscar by the way ngatukwa buzere hati mwano enda tukore chitu tukore we just follow you following Instagram when today just me and I was ready so na no quote the dreads na mshimwe chone go back to the studio okore music music ya kure mbire na cho chigambe or retiring ngobeka keko pretended ngu ya retiring but right now she's in studio agaritire mu studio I don't know shows ebye shongoro abari ya studio ya Maro no she's a songwriter maybe just maybe abirario arukorechi ari na handitsira omuntu cheshongoro but she was at the studio ya pretending music was manya we yajerka shagamba so radio and wisdom put them boom no mabe been draws omwana wabandi concert is very soon konka bibe mbakora draws kwenangu omuhanguzi arahangure bamhereze ticket ya omwana wabandi concert but guess what ba fans tickets bazandire nanabahangwira but umani manumbi hashobe noza hina first place kono na ticket kwa chikezo meaning you wanted it konka hine nteka hine kachikubuza burizo wajango waye let me leave this ticket konka chimaso beno jana awashira kuzai that means no basano kuyasente zo musho shuri because someone was like you know ngata kuchimanyangu you know radio and wisdom bekunda ngutwa kufaho they are so selfish just no bafa aharubo tubakufa abafanzi mbabasa kugenda batakuriya kandi you know baka participate home to go and like yeah. So now if I'm supporting Muzin Takatiga, I'm supporting I will say it obviously. Ndiyo muntu nina right ejo yo kusupportinga omuntu nkwenda kusupportinga mwete bibintu numbibatekaho hati omuntu akija kuja ngo okay utaka mutera karuru kora mutere ni nkwanga. You know, the things still happen really omuntu I notice rokutera buri muntu wena wakwenda ningashi I notice rock picking a candidate wena wakwenda kutera karuru. That is how it is. So to come blaminga akana support bakama supporting amuzeyi, and that is it. That is not the nature again. Ni wena anyiga aitugambira because abantu temple bamushango guno kubakozire they were supporting him. Hey, na ichirizwa kusupportinga okay. Anyway, so David Rutaro until the next day kujangu, you know, hine ebintu kunyiza. But anyway, David Rutaro ntureba na Kenzo na Rema. So Kenzo yapostinga chani chabo cyebero bashatu yagirangu, you know, David Rutaro is a legend. What is Kenzo trying to say? Nabere kangu twine kuba supporting buri omwe one another because true because takubasa kuimukaha aketa David Rutaro a legend arikuma unamusinga mani obviously namusinga hari kandi Kenzo class ya David Rutaro, but still Algeria am recognizing eche chinchatura na agamba na jangu abanya-Uganda mwine kwatagana abeshongozi, you have to work together. Echo chonu kwekwendera Kenzo nagira ngo omuntu amazire myaka engayi omuntu nakuchira omyaka ya nakutiza, you know, awards come out and work together mubase kwe supportinga aka example noleba nkomu America, it's like an award show umushongozo maka winiga award bona nibaza kwimuka batero munga konkaba makwendera award buri omwana azaguma shitame hariya. So Kenzo na nyakamutera bugaro because you know you have a point mwine kwataganisa ebyo kurwanaga nebyo chitoy kare murwanaga nakujango maybe akwaliro mukazi something kuja mu industry no way. But Rema that says you need to change. Rema noza ishiruhanga wanje amatama echufuba zona nenyama. You go for plastic surgery, by the way. Mbabasa kusharaho some beef ahambire some fresh action but fresh mbakusharaho batyo bakusigaza okache, you know bakuza yokwena kandi ahina kwambenda boob reduction kandi nawo kwena benda bagakole mahango. So Rema, you can do something bakushara fresh itama na maguru, you know, no munywenda when generally you become the Rema we once knew and we once loved. Mutakarga TV West John tukumza mo omisho hamwe na Throwback Thursday. Nina DJ Max kandi banyatari Isabella. I'll be right back.